What's up guys? Wes here from the MOA bringing you another unboxing video. Today we're going to dig into this box that has giant loop tape on it and see what they sent me. Now I'm just messing with you. I bought it, so I know what they sent me, but I'm excited about it because it's a new product and it's one that I think a lot of people should be interested in. Before I do that, I want to encourage you to like and comment and subscribe and do all of those things that you're supposed to do. And pardon the noise in the background. As you can see, I'm not in the kitchen, so I'm at the shop today down at Gridlock Motors, and it's a working shop. And right now, George, can I call you the proprietor? Does that seem official enough?
I guess.
The proprietor of Gridlock is working on a motorcycle doing tires and brakes because that's bread and butter for a motorcycle shop. Please, please, please support your motorcycle dealership shops and your independent shops especially. Those people need your money and your praise and maybe some constructive criticism from time to time, now more than ever. So without further ado, let's dig into this giant loop box and see what we got. Oh, this is just a razor blade. I don't have a knife or a proper tool, but it'll cut tape just the same. You just have to be a little more careful because nobody wants to explore their fun new stuff with a stump. So, I've got not one, not two, but three brand new first aid possibles pouches from Giant Loop. Now, these two are mine. This one could be yours. What you want to do is go find a podcast called Chasing the Horizon. Find that website. It's not very hard. It's chasingthehorizon.us. Sign up on the mailing list and check out the emails to find out how you can win your very own Giant Loop Possibles Pouch First Aid Pouch. Did I say pouch enough? Should I say pouch one more time? All right. Now, let's crack open one of these bags and see what's inside. This is a nice bag. I'm going to save this. We've got a product card here. Nice. I'll do a close-up of that for you. You can see here in the picture, this is not specifically the first aid one. And it shows you on the back how to use it. Leave ample room to allow for at least 3 rolls. It's not water, they don't guarantee it waterproof if you don't roll it 3 times. Thrice. You shall roll thrice, and thrice shall be the counting of the rolls. Thou shalt not stop at 2 unless thou continuest on to 3, nor shall you count 4.
5 is right out.
5 is right out. And then we've got the Possibles pouch itself, which the Possibles pouch is a product that Giant Loop already sells, but this is a special version, as you can see, with the giant universal first aid kit symbol on both sides. This is a waterproof bag when it's closed properly, and you close it properly by rolling down the top at least 3 times, and then you secure it with the clips, and then you got yourself a waterproof pouch. So, if you're not carrying a first aid kit on your bike, you should be. This one is very easy to strap to anywhere on your bike if you don't have saddlebags. It's got these straps that you can put on a fender, you can put on a back seat, you can put on a tail, you can strap them to something else. It's got MOLLE webbing on the sides, so you can strap things to it or strap it to things. These are fantastic, and even the regular ones, which I also have. Where do I have? We carry stuff on our bikes, right? This is a cool pouch, but it's not waterproof. And the other one I had just like it ripped. This is a cool pouch, but it's way too small. This is a cool pouch, not waterproof, and it goes over a strap, which makes it handy, but it's also kind of small. This is a cool pouch, but because of the way it's made, it's really only good for a few tools and maybe some papers, which is why I like my Possibles pouch. This is what the regular Possibles pouch looks like. smarter than I am. And this is what the new first aid version looks like. So you can see it's exactly the same thing, except with the universal first aid symbol on it. So you can get these at the Giant Loop website. Once again, they're fully waterproof and fantastic. And I'm gonna show you some close-ups here. This is really high quality stitching for the MOLLE loops. So you can move these straps, but they do have a backing that helps keep them even more sturdy. And if you run the straps across the middle, you're liable to cover up the identifier. And then they're on the inside, they're as long as my forearm. I don't know if you can see that, but then you roll it down. Really easy to roll down. You go 1, 2, 3, and there's enough room. You could do 4 if you wanted to, but 3 gets you there. And then fold it over and pull up the strap from down, lock it in place, and then take up the slack with a simple pull. And there's 1 clip on each side of your Possibles pouch. And there you have it. Or we'll have showed you some close-ups here as we go along, so you can see all the features of the pouch. And I think they're $50 a piece or something like that. I think they're the same price as the regular ones. And see, unlike the regular Possibles pouch, they're marked on both sides. So no matter which way your bike falls down, you can still tell where your first aid kit is. And take it easy. Come back to Motorcycle Test Kitchen here on the MOA's YouTube channel. To get more unboxings and reviews and all sorts of other fun stuff, including other fun stuff. Ride safe. We'll see you soon. Wow, I'm glad I didn't hit record until after you said that.